po, we are supposed to have another lecturer. But we have a part na pagsasalitain po natin ang ating mga alliance partners. And ito pong napaka-importante po nating dignitary sa Rotary has another event. So tatawagin ko na po siya para lang po makapagbigay po ng kanyang message po sa inyo kung paano po makakatulong po ang Rotary District 3780 sa laban sa COVID at sa tulong po sa Quezon City dun po sa mga tinamaan po ng COVID. Governor Johnny Gao Yu, the Rotary District 3780 Governor. Ito na po, palakpakan po natin si Governor Johnny Yu.
Thank you, very active Attorney Dot. Of course, I'd just like to say magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ko, of course, in behalf of the Kilusang Contra COVID Organizers and Alliance. Congratulations for this very good and effective summit. No? I just would like to inform you that the Rotary International District 3780 is the only Rotary district that is considered as the one city, one district in the entire Rotary world. We are composed of 102 clubs in Quezon City with more than 2,500 Rotarians, and we also have our 52 Rotaract clubs that are 18 to 28 years old and with more than 800 members here in Quezon City. For the last almost 8 months, we have initiated projects like our food bank programs, wherein we have distributed more than 30,000 food packs to the different barangays in Quezon City. We have distributed more than 15,000 face shields and face masks and 8 million worth of medicines. We also conducted children's nutritional program, or our what we call the Tulong Pambata, where we distributed more than 3,000 food snacks to indigent children in the National Capital Region with the help of the SWD. We also conducted flu shots, rapid COVID-19 testing, car disinfection, and free RFID for the NLEX tollways. We donated 6 mobile thermometry disinfection channels or misting machine to the 6 government hospitals here in Quezon City. We also have launched our Philippine Rotary in Emergency Preparedness and Response, or PREPER Foundation, with different response assets. We launched our Rotary Central Command to cater for our incoming projects like the Rotary Food Bank programs in all 6 districts in partnership with Tulungan Pilipinas, and our milk feeding program together with DepEd and the National Dairy Authority, wherein we will distribute and monitor almost 38,000 Choco Milk bottles to the identified malnourished students in Quezon City. So again, nagpapasalamat po kami dito sa ating organisasyon, headed by our Doc Tony. No? We will be supporting this Kilusang Contra COVID, and hopefully that we could kill, no, this pandemic, and sana mawala na to in time for our December. No, sabi nga nila wala daw party, sana hopefully kahit wala tayong party sa December, masaya tayong lahat. And ang importante, we are safe, we are strong, we are healthy, and we have to be vigilant for this pandemic. So again, thank you very much.
Maghugas ng kamay, magsuot ng face mask, mas ligtas, mas sigurado, mas protektado. Maghugas ng kamay, magsuot ng face mask, mas ligtas, mas sigurado, mas protektado. Mas magiging tayo'y nasa bahay upang ligtas ang ating buhay para sa ating buong pamilya. Para kay nanay, tatay, ate at kuya, barangay, kaano ko, kapitbahay. Tayo'y sumunod sa batas upang sa sakit ay makaiwas. Magsuot ng face mask.